Welcome to the Works Festiva mobile workshop with this big cabinet here with full of Works like Festiva stuff, and then there's like diamond plate floor in here. We've been taking apart knuckles here on the floor because even though I have a perfectly good workbench, I am used to working on the floor because Festiva things. And what's
Shut up,
Tommy?
Shut up! We're making a video.
We're doing a video. What? No, it's okay. That's Tommy. That's TT Customs himself in the hot tub. So this is a titanium bracket made by Skeeter Engineering. There's two sets on the planet currently. The first set went to me for testing. And this bracket.
Look at that chest hair. Holy. Is that? Wait a minute. What is that on your chest? Is that CLIBBINS?
Some grease
No,
on there.
up a little bit. No, down. Right there.
Oh yeah, there's probably CLIBBINS.
Oh, you got CLIBBINS.
Yeah.
Had to lay her down.
So this bracket is still. This is a flat plate. This is still flat after the knuckle that this was bolted to broke basically, and the only thing holding it together was this knuckle that Nate Jones made. This bracket that Nate Jones made out of titanium. And it literally saved my life because without this bracket attached to that knuckle, it definitely would have broken. And I would not. My car would have flipped over if that shit broke. So
yeah, it's a Festiva. Those things just roll over all the time.
Yeah, everything.
It's so top heavy. They're such a tall car.
Roll over. So it's still straight after that. Obviously, precision flat plate right here.
Very flat. Look at that. That's very flat.
Very flat.
Extreme flat.
Great job. Great job on the titanium. So what we got to do here is Festiva knuckles are not all the same. So the one that Nate crafted these off of is not the same as the one we have here that Brad Hazard has so graciously donated. So I'm gonna have to grind that down so this fits. That's not a big problem because in here somewhere I have a grinder. In the mobile workshop, there's a grinder right here.
Real fart.
That's a real fart in stereo. And then I think I have a buffer wheel on these. Yeah, that'll work. So we get that on there.
Flappy boy.
Flappy boy. We're gonna flappy boy this some bitch out. I don't have safety glasses. It's safety third.
Whoops.
Safety third. I've lived my life, a hard life,
vicariously
as a welder. Without safety, I'm so old that safety glasses weren't even a thing when I was doing this. So it's like.
Right, they had like safety spectacles back then or something.
Yeah, there's no
monocle.
Safety was not a word until like 94, 95. So this is the correct side, I believe, knuckle for the driver's side.
That is, yep. Well.
And pretty nice example. This is rust free, which is beautiful.
Real grimy.
That's okay. This does not fit.
Came off old Yeller.
That doesn't fit.
Oh.
But I'm used to that.
As we say in the Midwest here, oh.
And it's because of this little ridge here, which for some reason Nate's didn't have. But all mine have had this. So I'm just going to polish that son of a bitch off.
Oh boy.
Right here, no safety glasses. But I don't want this shit in the truck.
Oh, real fart.
I don't really want this shit in the truck, so I'm going to come out this way a little bit with the grinder and shoot it out. Here we go.
Oh boy.
Are we ready? This is a power pose. You gotta get into a power pose. Do it right.
Yeah, boy.
Power pose. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Gonna need some more.
Go. Jeez.
Joe has come in because he felt
Give the mullet a little fling. There you go.
Yeah, it's gonna need more. That's okay, I kind of figured that out.
Alright, you know, better to,
I've done this before. But we just keep test fits.
It's better to, you know, cut 3 times, measure once.
That's right. Or measure 3. Anyway, we're just not going to fuck it up.
We're in a PowerPose. Hang on, let me get. Oh, yeah. Now, let me run around to the.
Alright, so what we're doing here is I need to grind this down, but in order to grind it down so the bracket fits, I have to get into a PowerPose.
The PowerPose.
PowerPose is important. Safety glasses are not important because what happens when you're using safety glasses is the spark particles, they bounce off your cheek, they bounce off the glasses, they go into your eye. So if you're really concerned with your eyes, you don't wear safety glasses, you just don't shoot shit at your face. And that's just how you do it. And so you need to get into the PowerPose, which is legs apart, knees bent, elbows out. You got some strength here. Take a deep breath. You gotta feel that power, right?
Hunker down and grind, boy.
You gotta fucking grind. You gotta get into it, right? This is a machine in your hand, right? And then you hold it like a machine, and you flick that fucker on with one fucking thumb, right? And then you grind that motherfucker.
Woo!
PowerPose! Yeah!
PowerPose.
Feel that grinding.
Yeah!
Grind.
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah!
I can feel it! Oh yeah! That's how you grind.
That's how you
I'm
grind.
gonna see, I bet this bracket's gonna fit. Charm now. Yeah, I think it's good. It's nice and tight still, the holes line up. This is money.
Money.
That bracket right now, that's gonna hold a Wilwood caliper onto a Ford Festiva.
That's $69 billion in your hand.
This is like beyond dollars.
69 Bitcoin.
There's like Bitcoins and shit. That's gonna hold that shit onto my Festiva. And it's gonna have so much brakes. It's gonna stop the world.
But not before you run sub 40.
Sub 140 and then the world stops.
Gobbles.